Good afternoon, guys. Dan, Solid Rock Auto Group. The drone's taking a flight out in the shop today. Give you a glimpse into what we've got going on. Multiple lifts, new techs, full service, ready to serve you, meet all your needs, whether it's preventative maintenance, that's the necessary maintenance. We can meet all those. Oil changes all the way up. Give us a call, 330-527-4444 for any questions, appointments, things we can answer for you. Thank you. Have a great day.
Introduce you to me.